Okay. So the mustard family is a very large family. This one has 4 petals, and for sepals, the anthers are not the same lengths overall. But anyways, this particular is a spring ephemeral, and you see the palmate leaves here. That's a nice one. So this is part of the Cardamine Catatonia group. So it could very well be that species, Concatonia, but there's a couple of related things to that, and how separate those species are is another story. There might be an ecological, ecotype sort of thing going on. But anyway, spring ephemeral, probably the second or third fastest thing to grow in spring, certainly in southern Illinois. But they're throughout the eastern United States, and like that. And this one has a little pink on it.